What's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today we will be cooking chicken and noodles. So I didn't have any chicken wings, which I usually would use, but we're gonna go ahead and make it do what it do with what we got. So we're gonna go ahead and clean our meat off, and then we're gonna sit it on this chop board, and we're gonna cut it into small pieces. And just to remind you that it don't have to be real small, because as it cooks, it's going to boil down and it will separate. So cut it as small or as big as you would like. Remember, it's your shit, so do what you want to. You hear me? And the only seasons we will need today is complete onion powder, garlic powder. I have me a can of cream of chicken, and a can of cream of celery, which the cream of celery I only end up dumping half of it, and the whole thing of chicken and cream. Seems like that took forever. Okay, so we're gonna dump this, and we're gonna make sure that it's brown. We're not trying to cook it all the way, just browning it, just to help it get on the good foot. Yeah. So I know y'all notice my camera is moving, but I'm just trying to give y'all a better angle as we brown it. Not really brown it, just like, cook it a little bit on both sides. Like, make sure it's not raw, but we're not cooking it all the way. As I was saying, I put one thing of butter, which it was a little bit. I just was trying to get the bottom of the pan together. So our seasonings, as I said earlier, what we was using, we're just going to add this right now. And then we're going to come back and put us some water in here. And yeah, we're going to let this boil for at least, I put it on for 40 minutes. I let mine boil for 40 minutes because I like my meat to separate in things. But you do it how you like it. It's yours. I put the rest of my seasonings in. And yeah, let's go. Baby, if y'all can smell the aroma in the air, it already smells good. I just can't even sit down. I'm just steady in here stirring and stuff like that, just ready for it to be done. And this is actually a quick meal for a family. Has been long inside my family. I know my mom cook it a lot. If you haven't, you should try it. Something quick, easy, and most importantly, affordable. So now I don't know why my camera wasn't working, but I thought it was on while I was pouring the noodles in, but y'all get it. After I let it boil for 40 minutes, I put my noodles in. Then we're going to put a plate over it, a cover, or whatever you have to put over it, and let your noodles get as soft as you want. And then you're going to come back and dump your whole can of chicken of cream, and then half of celery. So go ahead and place your plate, a cover, or whatever you have to put on top of. We're going to let our noodles get a little soft and things, and then it's ready to go. Yeah, don't talk about my thing. You got to do what you got to do. Sometimes you have one or something, and then the pan to it is gone. And I opened a can of sweet peas for the side just to have something to go with it. But you could mix it in if you would like, but I don't like my things to mix, so we're not going to do that. At this point right here, I can't even wait for it to get done. Like, I'm just so ready get my plate. And what's so crazy, I made my plate and didn't even record myself eating. It was good. It was a good time. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure to hit that button so you are notified every time a video is dropped. Peace.